3, 2, 1, modified. Racing through turn 1 as the dust settles, headed into turn 2 side by side and a double slide. Let's see who holds on. Wow! I'm not sure who your leader was after one lap. Let's see who we got coming down the backstretch. 317 in hot pursuit. Tom Eddy in the 34 trying to hold on. Tom Eddy keeping that black Monte Carlo out front in the 34 car. 317 waiting for a window of opportunity. Red flag, red flag, red flag. We got wheels flying off. It's a war zone out here. Holy cow, somebody's going to be running a three-legged race or taking a break. One hard green flag brings us back. By Rosnowski in the 187. 1127 Hillbilly doing a good job in turn 2 as well. These modifieds get moving pretty quick and they get nice lines smooth through the turns. They're just a slinging mud. Tom Eddy like a rocket in that Monte Carlo. Nice turn on the outside. Here comes 187 with a little bump and run. Eddy coming around. Driver out of Muskegon. Going to make his way out of turn 2. He'll grab the white flag. One lap to go. Rosnowski in the 187 running a tough race.